I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me again is James Gurry, the Managing Director for Aureka. James, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Very well, thanks, Shay. Yeah, good to join you again.
Now, it was fantastic to catch up with you in Sydney last week at the RIU Sydney Resources Roundup. However, you are not one to rest on your laurels. Since we last spoke, you've put out two announcements. The first one I wouldn't mind addressing, and that is you continue to add outstanding people to your team. I believe you've recently acquired an ex-Barrick employee. Can you please elaborate on this for me?
Yeah, sure, Shay. Yeah, it's been terrific. We've been able to sign Joseph Story, who's joining us after he's joining us from Barrick and has spent quite a number of the most recent years working overseas. He's been running a team of about 30 odd people over in Tanzania in narrow vein gold. So Joseph wanted to relocate his work back to Victoria. And we've been talking to Joseph for quite a long time. So he's just completed his notice period in Barrick, and he'll be starting with us on Monday morning, which is great. And he actually worked early in his career at Fosterville here in Victoria and on a few other Victorian projects. So we've loaded Joseph up with plenty of incentives, share price wise, to help grow the portfolio and really help the team. So as you sort of said there, I think we're really building a first-class team to get this whole portfolio back into, I shouldn't say production, but back into work and fully adding momentum.
Aureka really has some incredible people on the books there, but I wouldn't mind just shifting today's conversation to a discovery recently made at the Irvine Project, announced on the 14th of May. I believe this was an unexpected discovery on the way to your main target area. Mate, good fortune favors the brave. How did this happen?
Yeah, absolutely, Shay. I liken it to sort of finding 50 or $100 on the road on the way to the bank. So what we've done here, you would recall that in the middle of March, we put out an announcement saying, actually, we've only drilled down about 100 to 200 meters as part of our 7 to 900 meter hole. But in that first couple of 100 meters, we actually identified some potential sulfide minerals, and we put that out to the market in some visual context. What's come back is that has actually been confirmed as mineralized with gold, which is terrific. And the highlight there was a modest length of 0.32 meters at 4.72 grams per ton, which is modest and encouraging. We did get multiple intercepts, but remember, this is only one hole, and it's on the first half of that one hole. So we were quite surprised to see this, which is terrific. And it's actually on the western part of the basalt dome. So our numbers here that you can see behind me, these are all on the eastern part of the Irvine basalt dome. What we've done is we've drilled from the west down to the east. And actually, when we're drilling through from that westerly position, we've actually intersected some mineralization. And we've only done one hole, remember. So it's very exciting. It's a potential nice new area for the team to focus on as well. Because remember, we're drilling into the exploration target area here, and actually we've encountered some minerals on the way. So it's very much like finding a bonus on the way to the bank. We're still awaiting those results at the bank, and they're in the lab right now. So we look forward to seeing those results when they come back. But yeah, it was pleasing to make that announcement yesterday.
These unexpected discoveries certainly do reinforce Aureka's thesis that there is plenty more gold to be found out there, which leads me to my next question. What comes next? I know you're in the process of a massive drilling campaign and there is constant news flow, but in particular, what can investors look forward to hear from Aureka?
Yeah, absolutely, Shay. You know that we have been busy. So we'll have the rest of the Irvine project drilling results to report to the market very soon. But also, you know that just before Easter, we started drilling up at the St Arnaud project, which is only 50 kilometres away. We're doing 4 holes there, and it's looking quite encouraging. So those results too should be coming to the market in the coming weeks or couple of months, depending on how the team go there. But that's looking encouraging. And remember, a couple of months ago, we did drill with our partners Catalyst, the Tandarra project. So As you say, we haven't been resting on our laurels or anything like that. There's quite a pipeline of drilling that has been done. And obviously, when you're doing drilling, you're obviously trying to prove up and extend these numbers. And so we do have a team looking at the JORC resource and the JORC inventory that we do have across the portfolio. So hopefully we can bring people some news on that front soon as well.
Listen, James, thank you so much for the update, and I cannot wait to see what comes next. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks, Shay. Thanks for having me.